My name is Kevin Pedretti. I'm Business Development Manager for the Recycling Products Group here at Scott Equipment.
And my name is Eric Vance. I am a Systems Project Manager, also with the Recycling Products Group.
And this is the mobile unit. The mobile unit is another chapter in the advancement of organics processing. It allows our customers to go from what was a traditional building style to be able to take something like this on the road and process for multiple facilities to enable more diversion from landfill. The mobile unit is intended to allow our customers to expand their business. So in the past, you're kind of bound to a particular building and geography, and everything needed to be shipped to that facility. As costs for transportation continue to go up, that limits the amount of material that can be diverted from landfill. So we always knew that the mobile unit was going to be applicable for those areas that are lower population density, where you'd have to, transport that material long distances. So now, in this next chapter, we feel though this mobile unit will be able to enable that amount of tonnage, thousands and thousands of tons of food waste from going to the landfill to go to better purposes. We have four main customer groups, I would say, that we service: animal nutrition, compost operations, waste and recycling facilities, and also other third-party facilities, and biogas operations. And sometimes due to growth, they don't have enough space, and so the flexibility to be able to expand quickly by having just a mobile unit to take care of their organics rather than building a brand new building could save time and could accelerate the process. And again, these feedstock contracts, most of these operations want to say yes to, and this machine enables them to be able to say yes.
This particular project incorporates an onboard 230 kilowatt generator, diesel generator. So there's no exterior power requirements. We've also got Scott Equipment standard feed hopper, but the tip height for that's been lowered a little bit. So if we got to load this thing with a forklift or a telehandler or something, not typically a front end loader. And then on this particular unit, we've upsized the motor to a 100 horsepower motor.
I think the market right now in North America, I think we have there's a window of about 10, maybe 15 years of expansion, similar to what Europe saw. And in order to divert the maximum amount of organics from the landfill, we're going to need, trailers like this to handle the tough jobs, the ones that are not in the metro environments, the ones that can take a serious amount of food waste, convert it to better uses so it doesn't go to the landfill.
And with Scott Equipment being a custom equipment company, this particular model's got a generator, it's got a 42-inch separator. Maybe a particular customer, maybe a particular application doesn't need something that big. Maybe we don't need a generator. Maybe we need a smaller generator. Maybe we need a smaller separator. Like all these things, right? So with Scott Equipment already being a custom machine manufacturing company, we can do the same. We can do this size, which is very large, and we can scale down, or who knows, maybe we can even scale up. We'll have to see what the future holds, what the needs are. It came together, and I'm really excited to see the final product sitting here behind me, and I'm ready to get this thing rolling down the road.
And I think when customers see the results, the food waste that goes in and what comes out, there's going to be a lot of excitement that's generated, and I anticipate that this is going to be a next generation product for us.